Hello friends, YouTubers and those new to MySQL. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to MySQL. This tutorial is meant for people who don't know anything about MySQL. So I want to see how you can learn MySQL on my channel. So the first thing is we need to install some important software on MySQL in order to carry out this tutorial effectively. So you already have the Google Chrome, already have a page. So we're going to use two software. One is the XAMPP server and then one is the Microsoft Workbench. So now I already have this downloaded, so it's already inside the download folder. So let me open it. Okay, it's opened. Now I'm going to install. Now you install it normally. Just press the instruction, follow the instruction just like the way I'm following. So we have this now. If you already have this, okay, you have to choose the setup that best suits your need. If you want to customize your workbench, you can go to the custom, but if you want the software to do it for you, then press next. I'm going to have my next, then waiting for my installation. Now while waiting for this installation, we can also download our XAMPP. Now on the XAMPP site, we have, if you are using a Linux operating system, you download these. I'm using the Windows operating system. I already have this installed and also downloaded, so you can click on this now. So you have to download. Okay, let me download it for the second time. It takes to the next page. You see my download button is there, so I'm going to cancel. I already have it installed, so I'm going to pause and cancel. Okay, now waiting for our workbench, MySQL Workbench to download. We already have it somewhere here. Okay, my download is finished, so I'm going to click. If you want it launch, you click on this place. Then now let's see how it looks like by time it's launched. Okay, while waiting for this, we also have to go through my XAMPP. I'm going to launch my XAMPP. It's already installed. So this is the XAMPP control panel. Whenever I want to start working with our MySQL, we are going to start the server. This is our local server of what we're going to be using. It's either you use your workbench or we use the XAMPP control panel. So if you want to work with MySQL, you have to start the server and the MySQL pages. So by the time we start this control panel for XAMPP, that is for Apache and that of MySQL. So we start this in this manner. So we can't use MySQL without starting the Apache and also the MySQL when we are using the XAMPP local server. So let's see how we can go about this. Okay, let's see our workbench if it is properly installed. Okay, let's see. Okay, so in our next tutorial, we're going to see how we can make use of our MySQL Workbench and the other software we downloaded. Thank you for this tutorial. Watch out for the next tutorial. of this MySQL. Thank you.